Hey, Oliver. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Luke. I can't believe it's already our review day.
Yeah, time flies. Let's see if we remember everything we've practiced.
Sure. Let's start with something easy. How do you usually introduce yourself?
Well, hi, my name is Luke. I'm from Canada. What about you?
Hi, my name is Oliver. I'm from Brazil. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. See, that's the perfect start. Simple and friendly.
True. And if we want to add more, we can say things like, I'm a student or I'm a developer.
Exactly. Or maybe I live in Toronto, or I love learning English.
Right. And if you're meeting someone for the first time, you can also say, it's nice to meet you, or glad to meet you.
Or if it's someone you already know, good to see you again works really well.
Yeah, that one sounds natural.
Introductions are the first impression. It's good to sound confident and relaxed.
Totally. Even if your English isn't perfect, just smiling and speaking clearly makes people feel comfortable.
Exactly. It's not about perfect grammar, it's about connection.
Well said. So, let's move to greetings. Do you remember some we practiced?
Of course. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. What about you?
I'm fine, thanks.
See you later. Those are everyday greetings we use all the time.
And remember to say them naturally, not like a robot.
Yeah, with a smile. Hi, not
Hi. Exactly. Intonation makes a big difference.
totally. You can sound more confident and friendly just by changing your tone a little.
Right. For example, if someone says good morning, you can match their energy. Yeah, like, good morning. Or, hey, how are you doing today? Or if it's late, you can say, have a great evening, or see you tomorrow.
Those small expressions make conversations sound real and warm.
So what's next?
Our daily routine. You wake up early, right?
Yeah, I wake up at 7. Then I make some coffee.
Oh, same here. I wake up at 8, though, a bit later.
And after that?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and start my day.
Nice. You can also say, I get dressed, I go to work, or I study English. Yeah, those little sentences help a lot when describing your day. Remember how we practiced shadowing them?
Yes, I repeated each line right after the video.
It really helped with rhythm and fluency. Me too. Shadowing is awesome. It's like singing along with English.
Exactly. It helps your mouth get used to the sounds.
So, how does your typical day look?
I usually wake up, drink some water, then check my phone. Laughs, like everyone else.
Same here. After breakfast, I like to read or do something relaxing before work.
That's nice. I usually start my work right away, but I take short breaks during the day.
That's smart. You can say things like, I take a break, I have lunch, I go for a walk.
Yeah, those are great examples of simple daily actions.
One cool way to practice is to narrate your day in English, like, now I'm cooking, now I'm cleaning.
Oh, I do that sometimes. It feels silly, but it helps a lot.
It really does. You start thinking in English naturally.
Speaking of that, do you remember the street dialogues we practiced?
Oh yeah, asking for directions.
Right, let's try. Excuse me, where's the nearest cafe?
It's right around the corner. Just go straight and turn left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Perfect. That's exactly what we learned.
Yep. Questions like, where is, how do I get to, and what's the best way to are super common.
And don't forget to sound polite.
Excuse me, and thank you. True. Also, could you tell me where sounds very polite and natural?
Yeah, like, could you tell me where the train station is? That sounds smooth.
Exactly. And always listen carefully to directions. People might say things like, turn left, cross the street, or go past the park.
Those small phrases are super helpful when traveling.
Okay, now let's talk about pronunciation.
Oh no, the th sounds laughs.
Yeah, that one's tricky. Like in think and that. Think, that.
I still mix them sometimes.
Same here. But the secret is the tongue, between your teeth. Think, this, those. Okay, that feels weird, but it works. Exactly. And remember the R and L sounds too, like right and light. Right, light. I can hear the difference now. Good job, man. That's the spirit. Thanks. And sometimes I also practice tongue twisters. They're fun and helpful. Oh yeah, like red lorry, yellow lorry, or she sells seashells by the seashore. Those are hard even for native speakers. True, but practicing them improves your clarity a lot.
Okay, now let's move to something more emotional.
Ah, feelings.
Yeah. So, how do you feel today, Luke?
I feel great. I'm happy and relaxed.
That's awesome. I feel good too. A little tired, but proud of our progress.
You should be. We've practiced introductions, daily routines, directions, pronunciation, everything.
Yeah.
And I really feel more confident speaking now. That's what matters. Confidence makes a big difference when learning a language.
True. And even if we make mistakes, we just keep going.
Exactly. Mistakes mean you're learning. You know, Luke, I think this journey has been amazing. It really has. I've enjoyed every practice session.
Same here. And I hope everyone watching keeps practicing too.
Yeah, don't stop now. Keep shadowing, keep speaking, and you'll get better every day. You know what helped me the most? Recording myself. Oh yeah, that's a great tip. When you record and listen again, you can hear your mistakes. Exactly. At first, it's strange to hear your own voice, but then it becomes a great tool. 100%. And you can track your progress, your pronunciation, your rhythm, everything. Yeah, and reading out loud helps too. True. Reading helps you improve pronunciation and confidence at the same time. I try to read one short article or story in English every day. That's awesome. Consistency is key. A little every day is better than a lot once in a while.
Exactly.
And I think shadowing made me feel less shy about speaking. Same here. Once you get used to hearing yourself, you stop worrying so much about mistakes. Yeah, because you realize everyone learns at their own pace. That's right. Learning English is like a journey, not a race. You said it perfectly. And I think we can really feel our progress now. Totally. So what's next for us? Maybe next week we focus on short conversations like at restaurants or stores. Ooh, that sounds great. Real-life English practice. Yeah, situations that happen every day. I like that. We can do one conversation per day, just like this week. Perfect. Then we'll keep improving step by step. Well, I guess that's it for today's review.
Yeah, it's been a great session.
Thanks for practicing with me, man.
Same here, Luke. I had a great time.
And to everyone watching, keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Exactly. Every word you say takes you one step closer to fluency.
Couldn't agree more.
All right. See you in the next video.
See you next time. And remember, keep speaking English every day. Bye, everyone. Bye. Take care.